Hello and welcome to the School District of Philadelphia's Virtual Academy, also known as PVA. We are delighted to work with you in order to ensure your success as a student, a person, and as a citizen. What does it take to be successful at PVA? We would concur that it takes time management, self-advocacy, academic skills, the ability to check your email, and an open mind. Time management includes creating priorities, most specifically a weekly to-do list. This weekly to-do list will help you stay on task and to complete your assignments on time. It's also very important to schedule your time in alignment with your priorities to eliminate distractions such as a phone, and to make sure you do not procrastinate. Get plenty of proper rest in order to make sure that you are the best student that you can be. In terms of self-advocacy really has to do with the ability to ask questions when you're confused, to be confident enough to speak up for yourself, and to be able to visit the virtual office and have a conversation with one of your teachers to receive the help and assistance that you need. Being successful also requires academic skill. Academic skill includes the ability to take notes on lessons or whatever it is that you're reading, to be able to use those notes on tests and quizzes, so make sure they're legible, to work hard, and to use teacher feedback effectively. Everyone here at PVA wants to see you succeed. So when we do give you feedback, it's for your improvement and for you to be the best that you can be. Always be prepared and read everything very carefully. Check your email regularly. Email is the main form of communication here at PVA, and we want to make sure that you create a habit of checking your email at the beginning and end of each day and to respond to all emails. Again, this is the best form of communication in PVA. Have an open mind. Be ready to try something new. Be eager to learn and possess the ability and desire to continue learning at all times. In order to be successful every day, and to ultimately be successful as a virtual student, it's essential to maintain your pace, stay in touch with your teachers, maintain your grades, and honor the rules of the school. Maintaining pace means working 1 hour per day per course Monday through Friday. It also means checking on your progress on your Genius dashboard, which we will show you how to do. We really encourage you to stay in the green, not to fall behind and be in the red. Stay in touch with your teachers. Check your messages every day. Visit the virtual office when you need help, and attend webinars and special events to keep connected to one another. Attempt assignments again when your teachers allow that to happen. Ask your teachers to explain their feedback if you do not actually understand what they're trying to communicate to you in their feedback, and come to the virtual office to review concepts before you take a test or a quiz. These are simple steps to help you maintain good grades. Always be sure to honor the rules of PVA. Honor the rules and policies set forth. Make sure you mark on your calendar the important dates, like the end of marking periods, days off, when tests and quizzes are coming up, and make sure that you always treat others and school property with respect and care. We wish you the best at PVA.